Hi, welcome back to JotUrl. Today I will talk about QR codes and how you can add them to your tracking links. Tracking links are amazing and powerful when you use them on social media, blog posts, newsletter, apps, and so on. But when it comes to offline campaigns, they might be not enough. It might be useful to add a QR code to your tracking link. JotUrl provides you with the ability to create branded and custom QR codes you can add to your tracking link. Let us see how it works. Let me jump into a project and select the tracking link and go right to the tracking link options. Now click on the QR code option. So as you can see, JotUrl provides you with the ability to select a previously created QR code template and add it to your tracking link, or you can create a new QR code template. So let's first add an existing template. You get a preview on the right part of your screen of the template. You get the direct link, the HTML codes. You can copy and paste the BB code for forums and blogs, and you can download the QR code using several formats, a vectorial format like SVG and the image formats like PNG and JPEG. Great, but I would like to create now a new QR code template and design it. So click on the plus sign, and here we are. On the left part, you get a real-time preview, and on the right part, you can set parameters. You can add a central logo to your QR code. You can also add a background image, and you can flip the images. You can scale them, rotate them, and you can act on the transparency of the images. You can also customize the module's shape. So you can choose different modules, squares, smooth corners, rounded corners, and so on. And change the color. So let's start designing. I think I will add the central logo. Let me just scale it a little bit. Maybe, yeah, okay, that's good. Let me change the module's shape. Maybe rounded corners works. Looks good. And I will also change the color. Great. Now you have to assign a name to your QR code, like my QR code, and save it. So your new template is automatically added to the list of templates you can use later for future use and reference. So that's all. Now I just have to save, and in order to add the QR code, to associate it to my tracking link, JotUrl will notify me that the QR code has been correctly associated to my tracking link with a green flag. Great. So just some final advices about QR codes. We encourage users to test their QR codes templates before using them in their offline campaigns, of course. Please use at least a couple of different mobile devices and operating systems. Then, our advice is to write the short tracking link, the branded tracking link, directly under the QR code. This is because there are people outside there who are not used to scan QR codes or don't even know what QR codes are or how to scan them. So you might lose conversions or visitors if you don't add the tracking link. If you add both QR code and tracking link, people who are not used to QR codes might copy the tracking link in their browser address bar and visit the link. Another advice, our final advice, is regarding how you associate content to your QR codes. QR codes are more or less a distribution channel. It's like an SMS, it's like an email, it's like an RSS channel, it's like TV. I mean, if you switch your TV on and there is only one channel and the same program 24 hours a day, I guess you won't switch your TV on anymore, right? So the best way to engage people offline is to associate different content every week, every month to your QR codes, because you provide them a reason to visit your QR code. It becomes a content channel. So you can do this very easily with JotUrl, because the destination of the QR code is the same destination of the tracking link. So you can change a destination with one click every time you want. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video, and don't miss our next video. Cheers.